Hey there, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today I'm going to show you a simple but super helpful trick that not many people know about, adding notes directly into your WinRAR archive files. Yep, you heard that right. This little known feature can save you loads of time and help you keep track of what's inside your compressed files, especially when you revisit them weeks or even months later. So let's jump right into it. I have a folder here called eVote Files, and I want to archive it using WinRAR. I'll go ahead and open the folder first. Now I'll select everything inside, files, folders, all of it. With everything selected, I'll right-click, and from the context menu, I'll hover over WinRAR. From there, I'll click on Add to Archive. Now we're in the Archive Name and Parameters window. I'm going to leave the archive name as it is for now, but here's the magic part. Look up at the top tabs and click on the Comment tab. This is where we can add our notes, description, instructions, or anything useful. Maybe a reminder for yourself about what's in the archive. Or maybe you're sharing it with someone and want to give them a few quick instructions. You have two ways to add your comment. You can either load it from a file using the little browser icon, or you can just copy and paste your text directly into the box. Let me show you how to load it from a file. I've got a text file ready with the notes I want to add, and with just a few clicks, it's all in there. Super simple. Once everything looks good, I'll go ahead and click OK. The archive will be created with all my files inside, and now with my comment neatly tucked away inside the archive itself. Now here's the best part. To view the comment later, all I need to do is open the archive in WinRAR. Look over on the right side of the window, and there it is. My notes, clear and easy to read. It really is that easy. And honestly, this one trick can make a big difference, especially when you're working with multiple projects or sharing files with others. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more quick tech tips here on Zimist Coded. Catch you in the next video.